Okay, we're going to try planting a rainbow in here now. Can't get over this rainbow. Rainbow grafted to a Suriname rootstock. We're just trying this for, see how it goes. See if we get a faster growth rate or. What is it? I don't know. So we can see the grass here. And it's grown double here too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a tie this higher up. There we go. And then we're going to cut this one off. Cut this one off. It's taking too much strength out of the upright growth. Then it'll just grow up. And on this side we'll put a sweetie pie. SSS. Suriname super sweet variety that I've grown and or grafted from seed. Okay, get this one on here. Squizzle this around. There we go. That's probably enough to hold it. And then maybe tomorrow, the next day, we cut this off.